Hey there, this is Ali at SafeNet. How are you? Hope everything is okay. This session is about troubleshooting of runtime environment or the driver of the LDK. And what are the reports that you have to send to support and R&D of SafeNet in order to see the details of your machine in terms of runtime environment. So the very first one is the log that is created during the runtime installation. So go to C, Windows, and look for a file which starts with AKS. This is the one. So this file, AKS drv setup.log, is the first one that you have to send. Let me show you what it includes. I will open it with the notepad. It includes all the details, that everything according to the time and the date that happens during the installation of the runtime. So you can learn a lot by just looking at it. Even yourself, you can look for error. So if you look for errors, you might notice maybe some errors that might hint you about what the problem is. If it's error 0, of course, it's not an error, it's okay. But if you find another error, this might be a hint for what is the problem. So AKS-drv setup.log is the first file that you have to send to R&D and support of SafeNet whenever you have problems with installation of runtime. If the installation is successful, you can also send another log file or another diagnostic file. Just open the ACC by going to http://localhost:1947, and you get to the admin control center, and over here diagnostic, at the end of it you have an option to generate a report, and go to file, save as, save it in the desktop or wherever it is convenient for you. You can leave it in the name diagnostic HTM, and that's it. This file is also a good one. Let me show you. It includes all the information about your machine, and it can also help for troubleshooting if you send it to SafeNet support. That's it for now. Thank you very much.